Give it up for extra. Yeah. Real talk. How many of y'all admit y'all was just looking at her booty only?
It is his cousin though.